Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel. It's Jeanine. I hope you've had a great day today. It's a little late right now, but I just wanted to share this Trader Joe's and Whole Foods haul with you because I picked up some ingredients that I'm going to use in some Whole30 approved side dishes this week. I am going to do some cooking. I shared in a previous video that I would pick up the Whole30 cookbook. I have purchased the cookbook and I'm going to get to cooking, but not now because it's 8:45. It's been a beautiful day and I was out and about running errands and taking care of business. And without further ado, let's get into the haul. From Trader Joe's, I purchased some trimmed and cleaned green beans. That will save me some time. I am going to try the garlic green bean dish that's in the cookbook. I also purchased some Brussels sprouts. I'll be making Brussels sprouts this week. And I bought some shredded cabbage to throw in salad. I bought some more pasture-raised eggs. Now, Skyr is not Whole30. This is an Icelandic style yogurt. I bought plain and vanilla because I like Skyr. So I'll be eating most of my meals Whole30, but I will have some things that are not Whole30 as I move forward. I think that'll help me sustain it so that I don't have binges. I bought some kettle cooked olive oil potato chips, guys. I love potato chips. And in the spirit of Whole30, snacks are not approved. But these are potatoes, olive oil, and salt. I am a snacker and lately it's been chips, so I am going to be having chips. I picked up some seasoning. Now this is furikake, Japanese multi-purpose seasoning. And it has, sorry for the glare, sesame seeds, black sesame seeds, white and black sesame seeds, nori, which is black seaweed, salt, and kelp powder. So I'm just going to branch out and try some new seasoning. I also bought the umami, multi-purpose umami seasoning blend, which is made out of mushrooms. So this contains kosher salt, dried onions, ground mustard seed, porcini mushroom powder, white button mushroom powder, crushed red pepper, black pepper, and dried thyme. So we'll see how that is, how that tastes. I'll let you guys know. This is organic low sodium vegetable broth and it's Whole30 compliant. I also bought some zucchini spirals. I cannot remember what dish contains the zucchini spirals, but I'm going to give it a try. And I bought some cauliflower gnocchi, which is just cauliflower, cassava flour, potato starch, extra virgin olive oil, and sea salt. And I bought a seafood blend. This is shrimp calamari rings and bay scallops. There is a recipe for seafood soup, excuse me, and I'm going to make that recipe. Now I didn't buy the marinara at Trader Joe's because it contains sugar. Aldi has a great marinara that is sugar-free, and I'm going to pick that up on a different day. I also bought a beautiful bouquet of flowers. Oh, gorgeous. These were $6.99. Now on to Whole Foods. I picked up leeks, which I've made potato leek soup in the past, and there's a recipe in the book that calls for leeks. So I bought leeks, but it's not potato leek soup. I don't remember what it is. I also bought fennel. Now this is a fennel bulb, and I'm not gonna take it all the way out. Oh, let me see, like this. There you go. Organic fennel. I have never cooked with fennel, so that'll be interesting. I bought some broccoli. It's just a broccoli crown. I bought some organic bananas, and I couldn't believe it. They were out of almonds, so I did not grind. I didn't buy any freshly ground almond butter, which too bad for that. And then I forgot to look to see if they had it somewhere else in the store. They were out of a lot of stuff. I was surprised. I bought some of this LaCroix. I bought some olives from the Olive Bar. I I really like olives. They're really good. And I made sure I read the ingredients to make sure that there were no non-Whole30 compliant ingredients. And then I bought, clearly soap is not a food item. I bought some good soap. Now, good soap is wonderful. They had it on sale. It was 10 for 10. So sometimes this soap is, it's at least $2 a bar. So that was a good price. Now this good soap by Alfalfa, I know you cannot read this, but it is fair trade, and it's made with fair trade shea butter and coconut oil from a woman's cooperative in Togo, Africa, and it meets premium body care standards for sourcing, environmental impact results, and safety. So yeah, I tried it a couple of years ago. This is my preferred bar soap for my body. It is very moisturizing. I do have dry skin, but it feels so good on my body, and I just stay stocked up on the good soap. I still have to pick up a few things, mainly a whole chicken, because I'm going to roast the chicken, and then I'll have green beans and Brussels sprouts and that seafood soup, and really that will be plenty for this week, and will get me into next week. Today is Monday, and typically I do a haul on the weekend and then I cook, but that's not, that's not gonna happen. So I'll be cooking this week. Anyway, I hope all is well with you guys. Thanks for hanging out with me. Thanks for supporting the channel. Please like and subscribe and comment as well. And I'll also come back with some reflections on my Whole30 and some lessons learned. I'll just do a video dedicated to that. But yeah, good night. I hope all is well in your world. Be blessed.